Alright, day 3. Maybe 250 miles south of Madro or so. We're about 280 miles north of the equator. And just hanging out at the bow right here. Excellent sailing, so good, perfect winds, 12, 15 knots, seas, you know, 1 to 4 feet mellow. Beautiful skies, crystal clear skies, stars everywhere, new stars as we approach the southern hemisphere. And it just blows my mind how smoothly this passage is going so far compared to the other ones. And you know, part of it just being more prepared at the beginning. Nicer weather, big part. And it feels a little different being so close to land. I mean, for the first 10 days we'll probably be not more than 100 miles from land at any point. Once we get past Kiribati, it'll be, you know, maybe 800 miles to Anuta. But maybe that has something to do with the comfort level out here. Definitely just loving the sailing and having a really good time. Beautiful sunsets, beautiful sunrises, flying fish, cruising. The guy's still going. Hardly any clouds. That was a little splash. All right, Genesis, Earthling out.